You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I have the first Cricut mystery box of the new year. And the name of this mystery box is Sunset Spritz. And I know the first question everybody wants to know is there a new Cutie in it? And yes, there is a new Cutie in it. So we're going to get to that first. So, the name of this Cutie is, well, some of you, it may be your favorite ice cream flavor. This Cutie is French vanilla. So he is the color of French vanilla, where it's white, but a little bit like cream with just a tad of yellowish to it. Stand up, Mr. Cutie. Cutie, get it together, sir. There he is, up against the white, so you can see that is the color of French vanilla. And I looked, but I don't have anything in my Cricut army to even come close to compare to him. Cricut did have a white one. That's probably the closest, but as you can see, he's definitely not white. So, and I knew his name was Vanilla, but I didn't know until I got the box his name is French Vanilla, actually. Because we got that Cutie, it is for Access members only. But below in the links, not only can you purchase the mystery box, but there are links to show you what the Access memberships give you, which is so much. Now, I see something sparkly. We are getting holographic sparkle iron-on, and this is the Raspberry Fizz collection. And you're going to get 3 12x12 sheets of this. So you're going to get one in this gold, and this is the holographic sparkle iron-on in gold. And then you're going to get one silver. I don't have silver right here. And you're also going to get one raspberry. So it's not quite red. It's not quite hot pink. It's right in the middle. And there is the pretty raspberry color. I feel like my hand's fading it. So it's not quite red, it's not quite hot pink, it's in between. It's a pretty color. And then you get the silver there also. And I was just thinking this, like the raspberry in here, ooh, and you can put it with silver or gold or whatever. Really cool for Valentine's, a Valentine shirt. Valentines or galentines. I know some are anti-Valentines, but there's galentines. And we're getting the Flesh Tones Cricut vinyl. So you're going to get 10 different shades of this. You're going to get a 12x12 sheet of each one of the shades. And it goes, so it's flesh tone. So it's all different shades, just like us humans. And these colors are also really good too. They're just, neutrals are totally in. The creams, the tans, the browns, boho stuff. I know I made like a Wi-Fi, what do you call that thing? Where you give them the password. I don't know what it's called. But I made a board that had our Wi-Fi symbol, and I made a boho rainbow using colors from in here. And this is the permanent glossy too. And I love infusible ink. We are getting infusible ink. I actually don't have this one, so I'm excited. And this one is Scatter Dot. So think Paint Splash. That's what it reminds me of, is Paint Splash here. And you're gonna get one 12x12 sheet of each, which color is like the yellow, orange, the red, the black, and then the bluish purple, actually. Maybe that's more purple. But you will, when you take the colors out, they won't be as vibrant as this because the true color comes once you press it. So what can you do with infusible ink? Well, you can use it on any of the Cricut blanks. So you can put it on mugs, shirts, hats, pillows, wine bags, cosmetic bags, anything that accepts sublimation, you are able to go ahead and use infusible ink. And it does weed a little differently too. You're not going to take and use your weeding tool. You kind of bend and snap it and then peel off the pieces you don't need. But for those of us without sublimation printers, very cool that you can do all these patterns and prints and everything on your projects. I mean, they even have like aluminum blank sheets on Cricut, and you can even press this onto there. And then you could engrave it after that, or you could add vinyl after that. But there's so many different patterns of infusible ink available, so check those out. And we are getting some Sports Flex iron-on. So we're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of this orange. And this is made for it's got that flex to it. So it's for those materials, like athletic material, like Sports Flex and rayon and everything. Those ones with the stretch, this is gonna go ahead and stretch with it. This orange looks really good with these infusible inks too, and you could do a project that had infusible ink on it, and then you also did some iron-on it. Oh yes. And a new mat. A new 12 by 12 Cricut. This is the light grip mat. But I like to use this for my cardstock, iron-on, printer paper, vinyl, construction paper, a new 12x12 mat. You can never have enough mats. I'm a firm believer that you can never have enough mats. And then even when you're done using it, it's good to just craft on, and then you can throw it away as you need to, but you can continue crafting on it. And actually, I quit filming and realized I forgot something that was in the box. So also in the box, we are getting Cricut permanent markers. Now these are the thick 2.5 permanent black markers. So think for like when you want those thick lines, like drawing signs for something or garage sales, posters for anything you want thick lines on, this is going to be perfect. And then these will work in the Maker, the Explorer, the Venture. They won't work in the Joy machines. But these are this is thicker than what you normally put in for your pens and markers. So to put these in, all you have to do is pop out your accessory adapter, which is what you normally put your pen into in the machine. You can pop that out by squeezing it underneath and pushing up, and then you can go ahead and put these in. And that is a nice chunky felt tip marker there. So think like Sharpie because it is permanent. So we're getting 6 of those also. And that is everything that is in Cricut's Sunset Spritz mystery box. And this is great savings on this box. The box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but the MSRP on this US is $132 something, which is a 62% discount. And that, remember, is before your access discount, which you're going to get your access discount on top of that discount. So you're looking at like 70 to 80% discount on these materials. Plus you get the new Cutie. And we greatly, greatly appreciate when you use our links below to purchase. That's all we get from all the videos or anything. We just get small commissions if you use our links, which we thank you so much for. It's no added cost to you. It's basically like the big companies share a little with the small companies. Those affiliate links do help to support lots of small businesses, so always keep that in mind. But make sure you go to our Cricut Design Space group. We have a couple giveaways. We have another giveaway that's about to start really soon, but we're doing something new for 2025. In our Cricut Design Space Facebook group, we are going to have a monthly challenge where we're going to give you a couple of things to use in a project, and then you enter them, and then we're going to give away Amazon e-gift card or money to PayPal. And we're also doing that for our theme Thursday this month. So each Thursday we have a new theme of projects we like to see in that group. And if you post a project with the hashtag, you will be entered to win $25 Amazon e-gift card or $25 to your PayPal. And we have a new giveaway gonna be starting soon, so watch for that too, which is gonna be a good one. So make sure you're always checking. I will go ahead and put it in featured posts once we put up a giveaway, so you can go through the featured post and find the giveaways. But each month we do giveaways in that Cricut Design Space group. I will put the link to that group below, but make sure you join that. But we greatly appreciate everything from you guys. Thank you so much to Cricut. Thank you to our admin teams and you guys, our supporters who are watching us. Greatly appreciate if you give us a thumbs up and go ahead and leave a comment below. Did you get the box? Or you giving kisses? Come here, you wanna come give kisses? Oh, the baby. Are you ready? It looks so big when I do this. Oh. They haven't seen you this year yet, Luce. You gotta say Happy New Year. You always gotta give kisses first. So hope you guys have a wonderful week filled with happy crafting. Lots of puppy kisses, huh? You always giving the kisses? Can you say thanks guys for watching? We'll see you next time. Say toodles, Lucy. Can you say toodles like Alex? Happy crafting, everyone. Bye. Toodles from Lucy.